Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you something very amazing. In this video, you will learn how to create unlimited AI videos for free. And the best part is, no watermark at all. So let's start. First, open ChatGPT. Here, you need to write a prompt to generate an AI video description. You can change the prompt however you like, depending on the type of video you want to create: cinematic, story, animation, or anything else. Once ChatGPT gives you the result, copy the generated video prompt. Now, open your internet browser and search for Meta AI. Open the official website from the search results. After the website opens, click on the Create option. Then choose Video Creation. Now paste the prompt that you copied from ChatGPT. After pasting the prompt, click on the Animate button. The system will take a few seconds to process and generate your video. Please wait. And done! Your AI video is ready. You can preview the video on your screen. To save it, simply click on the download icon and the video will be downloaded without any watermark. This AI video creation method is unlimited, and you can use the same steps on mobile as well. No payment, no restriction. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more AI tips and tools. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!